What up? What up? What up? What up? Boom, 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 boom. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just setting this up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry I'm late. I am running around this morning doing things that are not related to this. Good morning, Josh. Yo, it's Mo, bro. Yeah, I completely I passed the Bulenox account just now. I don't even know what fucking tab it's on. Doing way too much shit. I heard it go off though. I don't even know where that tab is. How's that sound? I'm trying to fucking find it. Oh, this is so annoying. All right, it's not on that tab. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Past it. Uh Yo, what up, Maria? DeMarcus Downs, my computer lab winning my 100 TP on my live earlier. That sucks. Morning, Monet. Everything that could go wrong. I just missed out on I just fucking just missed out on a bunch of shit this morning. I did hit that short though, in a funded account for $167, which is not much, but it's day one on the account. I just passed the Bulenox account. I just hit a My Funded Futures Core account for like a bunch. I was looking. Funded Ticks wants me to. Any chance we can hit 50 pips here? That's such a forex term. 50 pips. I do not know. I'd like to see us bounce a little bit. Sean, you take that Asia sweep. This was the fucking play. I bought short here, and then I was called to go do something. And by the time I looked, we were up here already. Dude, I completely whiffed on it. We're getting our carpets cleaned. So my wife is texting me, make sure this happens, the wood floor, the this, the that. And I'm just like all over the place this morning. I would have got out of this short. I would have played it long. And then I banged this. I need to pop open fucking. I'm hoping. That's the goal. That's the goal. Came out like, I guess Trump helped Israel bomb Qatar or Hamas there. Like, I don't know. That was a thing. That might be why we're dropping here. You got the Apple event today also. If you guys don't know, I think the Apple event's at some point today, which could obviously move the market. I don't see Apple giving out anything big today. Like, I don't see them, I think they're talking about the new flip phone, new phone they got, the thin thing. I don't know. That's not going to move them down. I think there's a lot of hype and it's going to suck. It feels like we're going down. I said that in the Discord today, earlier before pre-market. I said it looks like we're going to go down today. Yeah, that was my general bias this morning, was to the downside. Just feels very heavy. I think we're going to target right here, like 705 probably, before we get a good bounce. $705 would be a pretty good target. We give it up to 705. Oh, baby. Come on. Just fucking unload it. Unload it for daddy. Dump it. Just fucking dump it. Give me a quick 10-pointer. Give me a quick 10-pointer. Fuck, come on. It's right there. Oh, yes. I'm out. $500 in my Well Charts account. And I locked in another day right here. Not much, but I think go by days. I'm just kind of, I don't know. One more day, I could pull money out. I think it's going to trend down to probably 705, hit the ascend balance. But I think, I'm out of Wealth Charts. That's done for the day. I got one more Bulenox fucking eval. I gotta play. Scalping longs? Dude, you're crazy if you're scalping longs right now. Longs? Talking playoffs? Playoffs? I don't know. Although you're looking good here.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm going to scalp it to the upside real quick. Dude. I'm going to get fried here, by the way.
Order filled.
I'm out. Dude, that was so fucking dangerous. What up, Blake? Oh, I was looking at this imbalance right here. This is the top of there's an edge of a fair value gap at 705. That's what these green lines mean. What up, Tigo? What up, Lee? Dude, they just gave that up. I'm just looking. I'll be honest with you, action has not been great today. Action has not been, it was super choppy morning. I don't know if you guys saw how freaking choppy that was. This morning was brutal. Boom, 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 boom. You remember I was asked if I'd take 200 payout? Well, today was the last day I needed to make 600. Bro, I couldn't have told you more times to take the money out, bro. I literally couldn't tell you more times to take the money out, and that is why. That's why, dude. I feel bad for you. I really do. But fuck, man. Like, you got to take the money out, man. There's no reason to keep it in there and going for more. Oh, you had to make 600? That sucks, dude. Always TJ saying always take the max. Dude, he's taking nothing though now. Now he's on the nothing train. I feel bad for you, although he said he couldn't take it anyways. That sucks, dude. Yo, is this thing not fucking working? Oh, I'm in the previous fucking day. That's why. I'm like, wait, hold on 1 second. Dude, I was trying to figure out what was going on. All right, Asia lows up here. All right, cool. I'm just kind of trying to figure out what I'm targeting and what I'm looking at here. The cheapest one is Fidea, $16, but the activation fee is expensive. Activation fee is like $150, but it's the cheapest account. The cheapest all-in option is probably one of those core accounts. I would probably say one of those core accounts is probably the cheapest all-in option. It's like $70 all in, no activation fee. I'm trying to think what else is cheap now. I don't know, man. So you can do the monthly, Josh. You can do monthly. It's 105, and you got to assume that if it rebuilds next month, you've taken a payout to cover it. My funded futures is 25% off resets. So there you go. I passed the funded ticks account. I need to do a KYC before they give me a funded. So weird. Yeah, Josh, they have monthlies. I think it's 105. I think we still go lower. Like, I'm not loving this bottom made. I'm not loving it. I'm just looking. Aramis, great day so far. Dude, I think it was sloppy ass action. Well, we're hitting the pivot point right now, so let's see what happens. Just 2 trades. Sometimes it's all you need. Sometimes that is all you need. See, I don't like this as a bottom being made, so I'm just watching, hanging out, seeing what's going on. Nah, rollover week is it next week or the following week? I think it might be next week. Nah, you got PPI and CPI. You have PPI tomorrow and CPI on Thursday. So I think you're going to get a lot of shit going on. That's going to be a big one because if PPI is hot and CPI is hot, fucking market's going to dump. I don't know. Last reading, I think PPI was hot, CPI was in line. So we'll see what happens. But you could definitely pass. You could definitely pass accounts. You could definitely pass accounts the next couple of days if that's your thing. On news at 8:30 in the morning the next 2 days is probably going to move the market greatly. So I would say if you are, if you're into it and you're looking to straight degen some accounts, what up, AD? Dude, I am fucking starving already. I'm trying to find these 2 accounts on Tradeify. I'm having trouble. I have 2 funded accounts, and I'm trying to find them. One's in Tradeify. Oh yeah, here's the other one. Where's fucking Tradeify login? Is this it? Yo, what up, Sylvia? All right, I found it. I got it. I got it. Cool. Cool. All right. Just came back over Asia lows. Yo, they can consolidate down here at like 82. I would probably take that. I would be open to taking that. Lost in accounts that have been trying to keep it cool. Yo, you just got to roll with it, man. You can't just start fucking revenge trading. It's not going to help you out. You know, when you lose an account, it sucks, but you just got to say, hey, did I take a good setup? And if the answer is yes, and you know that setup wins over time, you know, it is what it is. Do I like wealth charts? No. I took a trade in wealth charts today. I made 5 something and I'm out. I shut it off already. I just didn't hit the button. I literally bought 2 minis, hit it, out, $500. My funded account has $50,850 in it. So the way I trade it, I could pause if I have 2 more winning days. I'll be right there for a payout. I traded hard. I traded 2 minis at a time. It's either going to go or it's not in wealth charts. That's how I feel about wealth charts. It's either go or it's not. Well, that's another problem. You got to say, why did I break my rules? You know, like for argument's sake, like I'm down a little bit today, like down, you know, but instead of just breaking my rules and saying, fuck this, fuck that, I turned around, I passed a Bulenox account. I got 2 different funded accounts up. One was up 167, one's up 120. You know, I turn it around and I just say, hey, you know, I also got some other evals up, and you just kind of turn your shit around and you say, okay, well, this is what I'm going to do. You know, if you just do stupid shit, you're never going to be consistently profitable. And I don't mean that in a negative way. I'm just being honest with you. If you want to be profitable, you just got to say, you know, you can't be doing stupid shit. I want to say 85% of the people who blow accounts blow them because they're on tilt, just doing stupid stuff. Very few people are like, are you fucking kidding me? That was so stupid. Bro, that missed my take profit by fucking a half a tick. I bought and literally it popped. Yeah, well, you know, that's all. I'm just being real about it. I mean, I can't believe that just fucking happened. I bought, London closed, it popped it. It popped it. I was up over 200 or something so fast. That was London closing. I'm in long, by the way. I'll do it on this screen. I'm in long. I want to see it hold this area. If it doesn't hold, I'm out. Looks like I'm fucking gonna get stopped out, but see, like if I get stopped out, I'm okay with that. You know why? To me, if it holds up in this area, we move back up. What I'm not okay with is I was up $200, and because it was a flash bomb, I couldn't sell, and it missed me by like 2 ticks. Actually, it missed me by 1 tick because this is. I'll show you what happened. I literally had my sell right here, and it went up to there. See, that was fucking ugly. See, now, do we retest, reject, and then see new lows? That'd be a great fucking play. The worst thing we can do is come below this, above it, below, and just chop right here. That's not what I want to see. I want to see us leave this area. You want to see it just fucking leave. What up, Lee? Gonna fucking give it up or what? Oh, I'm just watching. Get a couple candles, consolidate under and then down. I'm leaning more towards the down. Maybe we retest 77 here. You got a 3-minute FVG. You got an inversion right here. Maybe we target back down in the 30s. Dude, previous day low would be wild. 650. 650. Anyone thinking about shorting a 650? Oh no. Oh no. They got the fucking he's got the vacuum on. Hold on. What the fuck is that? Bro, they're cleaning my fucking floors. Guys, clean it. I'm done trading unless we hit 640s. I mean, that's the fucking target. That's the target. Bro, I think we're going to go all the way down there. Yo, what are you at work right now, Steven? Brutal Trader FX. What up? Dude, I mean, those are the accounts you want, Chris. Out of all the accounts, those are the best. Those are literally the best accounts that you could have. I would say that you could do the most damage with the TPT accounts because once you get over the buffer, it's just daily payouts. I'm trying to build this fucking thing up. I don't like how far the stochastics are. I'd like to get a better entry here, like 10 points higher. Yo, so I'm on day 4. Do I keep stacking on gains, or because my funded futures has no consistency rule, I just don't trade it today, and then I just go for normal trades tomorrow? What do you think I should do there? I'm trying to think what I want to do. I'm trying to figure out if I should try to ring it up today or just try to ring it up today or I looped it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm debating on whether I don't know what I want to do. Damn, I got out at the bottom. I literally got out at the bottom. So glad I fucking exited that. Oh, holy shit. I'm just waiting. AD, how close are you to passing? I don't think I'm going to trade this account anymore today. I'm already up $226. Yo, AD, how close are you, man? Are you like right there or you just started? Oh, 800. Dude, you're close. Dude, you're right there. I mean, just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep it freaking rolling, man. Get them baby steps. Hey, man, you're making progress. That's all that matters. I'd rather slowly make progress than just blow accounts. And honestly, today looks shitty. Today looks so shitty. It's so funny because I was short bias and I took a loss at the top. I'd shorted so many times today. Oh, back crack. They pumping it. Damn, little invert, little pumpy pump. Well, just keep it going, man. Baby steps, dude. No need to do anything crazy. No need to do anything crazy, dude. Oh, man. Just waiting and watching. Yo, what up, Brushan? I asked you earlier. I don't know if you answered, but I got busy at work. Is it? No, I think next week is rollover week, TJ. I think next week is rollover. Yeah, I'm almost positive. I'll get the exact date, but I'm pretty sure it's next week. Yeah, week of September 15th. Yep, next week. Bro, CPI is going to be wild. Well, you got PPI also. PPI moved last time. PPI moved the market big time because it missed. So you got a massive drop. I'm just watching. This shit's kind of. See, on the higher time frames, you just kind of mishmash. If I were to guess, I would say we're going lower. I would say we're going lower on the higher. You'd have to get over. So look at this. You have two inside 15 minutes bars right back to back, right? That means you're getting some serious consolidation. This bar is inside this one, and then this bar is inside this one. So I'll probably take this small size, big stop, whatever way it broke is which way I would go. I have a feeling it's going to be to the downside, but I would just play the action. I think that's. If we get a third inside, that would be interesting. I'm just looking during regular market hours. Last time we had 2 5s, 2 15s. Didn't really fucking do anything. I'm just looking. Dude, I'm exhausted. Today might be Celsius time. What up, Matthew? Honestly, if this turns red, I'm probably gonna take it short. What is that? Under 75? Under 75, I might short this thing. Got to get there though. Yeah, I'm just waiting, LaRosa. Very choppy day. Dude, the morning, I don't think you guys probably don't even follow this, but I'll play the 5-second chart in the open, right? We pretty much stayed inside the 5-second orb for like a while today. For like 5 minutes, we didn't go anywhere. It was fucking wild. Yeah, that's why I think I'm done trading some of these accounts. I don't want to mess anything up. I don't want to mess up something where like I already locked in day 4 and I'm up money. Like, just kind of chill it. See what some of the higher time frames look like. Man, I know this is going to sound crazy, but like we closed over 800, super bullish. I don't know if you're going to do it though. I was just looking at the chart. I think we're going to continue going lower. It's kind of been my bias from the beginning. Oh. But yeah, a close. Holy shit. Holy shit. A close over 800 actually inverts on the 5-minute chart to the upside, which is interesting. Plus you're over the whole number. I think at that stage you can really get a fucking romp. But I don't know if it's going to do it. I want to see us come down and hit previous day low at 650. Cole, what is it called? The high time frame? What do you, I'm on just on the 15. But I like to look at the higher just to see what's going on. Especially the 4. Look, it sold all the way down to this fucking fair value gap inversion by a T. Look at that shit. Dude, action is just super slow today. This is where you can easily blow accounts. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and just get yo-yoed. Wiser than most. Ben and Rose playing. Time to come visit here. Where are you? What's up, Marie? How many LUs are you up today? How's your LU? Oh my God. You're up one LU? Just remember, I'd rather sit in a chair and be up an LU than be there and get an LU. Good morning, Emily. I will say we have a lot of female traders in the room. Boom, 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 boom. What's up, Black Beauty? You were up 4, but it tapped your target in reverse. What were you short? This thing's going to sell through. This has sell through vibes. Girls, we run the world. There's so many female traders in the room. It's funny because I'll go and hang out elsewhere and there's just not. And there's so many female traders in here. Yo, what up, Tyler? So I'm going to grab fucking small and let's see if we go all the way down. What is it, 650? $650 is previous day low. Oh man, we need to get some sort of these females playing poker. Pozo's been gone. I'm trying to think who plays poker with us. It's a bunch of dudes, a bunch of big sausage fest. I don't even know who that was. Who was Delta last night? Who is that guy? Who brought that guy? Are you working with your friend at night, Marie? Yo, Steve, that was you, Delta? Yo, you fucking cleaned up. Yeah, it's Steve. Steve. It's super easy to learn how to play, and it's free. No one. It's free to play, so we just kind of hang. Just fucking give it up, baby. Just give it up. Bro, you got 31 dogs at your house right now, Lee? Yeah. You can learn how to play. It's super, I want to say it's pretty easy. Like poker is not difficult to learn how to play. And it's not like any of us are like playing for money. We're just kind of hanging out, shooting the shit. Shooting the shit. The old Topstep. So is this thing going to go or are we going to dump? Yo, price action is really fucking shitty today. I think it's waiting for PPI tomorrow morning. Yeah, learning the hands is easy. Especially that it's basically number order. We could teach you. Yeah, we're not playing for money right now. We just hang. I use it to decompress from my day. Bro, you guys just reminded me. I got to order my fucking Instacart, dude. Holy shit. I got to order Instacart like now. What the fuck is my Instacart? Let's see what else I need in here. Shit. I'm just looking. Dude, I don't want to do burgers. Not enough burgers. I'm just looking. Bro, I got the worst food from Costco the other day. I got these chicken wings with garlic and pepper on them, and the chicken was slimy. I had slimy ass chicken, bro. Yeah, Simone. Everyone getting torched. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Come on. This is where you're better off taking a small size with a big stop and just kind of letting it move around. I'm just looking. I got to fucking order this now. Bro, if I check out right now, perfect time. Perfect. I just ordered. I had my whole cart made up already, so it was pretty easy. I just had to place it. Yo, I think Bulenox finally got back to me. Yo, this is freaking crazy. Damn, you sure not fake food from Bill? Yo, you don't want that fake chicken? Did you see that shit? It's like, what was he doing? He's fake meat, lab meat, right? Isn't that what Bill Gates is doing? Lab meat? I think they're gonna let it go down. That just also is gonna flash dump. Bro, I will not be buying fake meat from Bill Gates. That is something that I will not be doing. Fucking fake meat in a lab from Bill Gates, of all people. I'm out. I'm out on that. I'm out on the fake meat, Bill. I don't eat any of that fake meat. I don't eat Impossible shit or Beyond Burgers, or I don't do any of that. There's other ones that are just made up of mushrooms. That to me is different. Like if you're eating like a mushroom quote unquote burger, that's different. Like I'll eat that. Like a black bean burger, that to me isn't fake meat. It's just, it's a burger made from black beans. I could deal with that. But the Bill Gates shit's fucking wild. Billy Boy making lab meat for everybody to have. I'm out. We're already eating it. I have a kill farm by me. You can go and pick out chickens and eat them, by the way. So you go there and you can get freshly killed chickens. You get fresh eggs. You get fresh milk. I actually have a lot of farms by me. There's a lot of farms where I live, which is weird because I'm in New York. But I typically buy a lot of stuff from farmers markets and local farms by me. Just the way it goes. Yeah, I'm very picky with like fish. A lot of shit I'm very picky with. I don't eat fast food, to be honest. I'm not a fast food guy. Holy fuck. Yo. Dude, someone asked me the other day, like, I've been taking money out of this account. Dude, this little Robinhood account I got, I just bought the right shit. It's so crazy. What up, Mr. Anderson? It's a crazy day. Yeah, a lot of people taking L's. A lot of people taking losses today. I mean, I think it comes down to probably a lot of revenge trading. If I would probably guess, there's probably a ton of revenge trading happening. Dude, I'm up $2,000 today, and the account that's like 7% of the account. I don't really love trading on it. Like, I don't sit here and I'm not like, yo, Robinhood fucking account is awesome. I could almost care less about it. I don't really care about the actual app itself, to be honest. I'm not like, yo, the app's functionality is so fucking good. I just kind of like what I don't know why. I don't want to say I get lucky, but I tend to hold shit long. My UNH is fucking crushing it. My UNH is crushing it. Just fucking, just dump this thing. Keep it going. I'm back at break even, by the way. Yeah, listen, if they pop it, they pop it. I mean, I just moved to break even, so it's free. I don't follow him, to be honest with you. If we can get down around 50, I don't think we'll see up here anymore. What's funny is I should probably take this money because I'm fucking down in this account. I'm gonna move to. I'll move it down. Yo, what up? Knew it. On gold, dude, I don't really play gold. I can't sit here and say I'm gonna play gold. I'm not a big gold guy. I always get my ass freaking handed to me on gold. Do you want to see someone like get absolutely destroyed on gold? Watch me trade gold. I don't know why. It just happens. Gold is not my friend. The trend isn't my friend. Gold's not my friend. I don't know, man. I just can't. I can't do it. I think gold's going to dump at some point. I think you're going to get a massive gold dump. Bro, this is sideways. I mean, you could be crushing your accounts right now. And the fact that you just sit here and relax. I think it's going to end up trending down. I'm kind of targeting yesterday's high. Was it yesterday's high? I think I got back in like 1 point above where I was at. See, now I'll go to fucking break even on that. BE, baby, BE. Just fucking unload it. Just unload it, man. Bring it all the way down to at least 30. Bring it down to at least 30. Keep it going. I'm playing it with a couple minis on this other screen. I just got out. And I moved my stop on this other one at 762. Oh, it's the same shit here. Okay, cool. I'm in a funded account in Tradeify. Just copying the same trade. Nothing that you don't see on this screen. Just copying the same trade. Pro shop traders, I have no idea what the fuck that is. I'm probably not using it. I'm probably not using anything that I've never heard of because I want to make sure I get paid. Definitely not using that. Do I use Fibonacci? No, but I know some people that love it. I just got stopped. Dude, people won't stop fucking calling me. Dude, I should have just went fucking all in. I did play that pretty decent because I played it in 3 accounts. I don't know if this move is done, but the stochastics are way oversold. I want to see this bounce to maybe the 34 up here. Yeah, I'm going to want to see it bounce to like the 34 or the 50. I just want to see that, like, I want to see us come up a little bit. Just want to see it come up a little bit. Gold paid? Yeah, that's because I didn't play it, Fred. If I played it, you'd be like, bro, it looks so good. I don't know why we lost. And I'd be like, bro, it's because I bought. That's why we lost. Fucking gold hates me, dude. Me and gold don't get along. Yo, you could ask freaking BK. BK was running this thing overnight. He's like, yo, I made money. I was like, all right, cool, man. I'm going to load up my Ninja Trader and I'll do it with you. First night I do it, lost. Second night, lost. He's like, it never loses twice. 2 nights in a row, never loses. And then I stopped it. He hit. I'm like, bro, I'm just not built for some of this stuff. Kind of just thinking what I want to oh. I was about to dump my strategy yesterday because I had a big ass losing streak. And today, dude, I would make sure you back test. I would just back test and back test it and see what the deal is. If it's actually a winning strategy or it does lose over time. Because a lot of people think they have a winning strategy and then you back test it and you're like, oh man, this strategy really doesn't work. And you don't, what happens is it wins like 40% of the time, which is enough to keep you in, or, but it's really not a winner. Dude, I have a funded account with these guys. I got to do a KYC. I'll do it when I'm off the stream. This is brutal, though. I'm just kind of waiting for the setup that I like, but you missed out on the duck. Yo, let me, here, I'll light it up. I'll light it up again. Quack, quack, baby. I almost want to risk this account that's down so much, just on shorts. Honestly, I think we're gonna dump here. I think we're gonna sell off into the somewhere around now until the end of the day. If I buy 5 minis, that's 70 points. I'll be honest with you, I'm probably going to buy 6 micros and hold it here. Do not risk this. Do not do this. I'm just being honest with you. It's my bias. I'm just sticking with it. The account is kind of smoked. This would have to move to almost high of day for me to lose. I mean, 50 points is 820. It would have to come all the way back up. And I just think, so last PPI was a hot reading. And I think that people are going to get out due to the last time's hot reading. And that the account's down a bunch. So if I can profit 50 or 100 points in my direction, I can basically turn this account all around. It's just my bias. I'm playing small in this other account. It just looks, oh, look, I fucking forgot to play it. I'm such an idiot. I was talking about this, the 2 inside bars, and then literally it fucking broke the bar right here at 774. I played it, but not without really watching it. I'm thinking we're going to get a big dump. See what happens. I could be completely wrong. I'm not risking any accounts that are up. And I'm letting it move around a lot. I'm going to let it move around a lot. Also, I feel pretty good about myself. Let's see if I can put this on the screen. I don't know if I can. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. I don't even know if you can see that. We're up $1,900 in my Robinhood account today. And I'm up 1,800 here. So I'm feeling pretty good. So I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit in prop firm world. Listen, if it goes up to 820 and I get fucked, I get fucked. We shall see what happens. It looks heavy. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Thoughts on I don't play Eli Lilly. I don't play Eli Lilly. I don't really play pharmaceutical companies. Yeah, I'm not into the drug companies. Just not really my thing. I don't like how they move. I don't. There's a lot of things as a, we'll just call it as an investor, I don't like about drug companies. Who am I taking on week 2? I haven't looked yet. Who am I taking? Did you make your picks already? Did you make your? Oh wow, people picked. I'm probably gonna go. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to throw it out there, but there's definitely some that look good. Baltimore over Cleveland looks good. Dallas over the Giants looks good. Buffalo, Rams. It's going to be one of those games. It's probably going to be one of those games. What's crazy is they don't put the spread in here. I don't know why they don't put the spread, but we shall see. I don't know. You took Arizona over Carolina? My thesis is not playing out, but whatever happens, happens. This account actually rebills. This is one that's not lifetime and actually rebills in like 3 days. So that's why I have to do something with it. That was the only problem is I had funded accounts running into it. This one rebills, has a rebill to it. I think this is the last one that has a rebill on it. Giants over the Cowboys? Definitely not taking Giants over the Cowboys. That I can tell you. Dude, I'm not going to take the Giants until I have to. Dude, yeah, fucking Giants. I'm just looking. I wanted to see if anything else I have rebills. I do not have anything else rebilling. No, that's literally my I have a Wealth Charts PA account that rebuilds in 10 days. Yeah, this is the last of my rebuild funded accounts is this one. So the rest of my accounts are lifetime. This is the only rebuild. Honestly, if we get all the way back down here, this will probably fucking dump. I'll throw in the ad. I'll throw in the ad if we come down here. Guys, this was not an eventful fucking day on the stream, to be honest with you. It's a lot of chop, couple moves. I got nothing that I was like, oh my God, this is the fucking play. I think the market's going to be waiting for PPI tomorrow morning. I am smashing PPI tomorrow. Other than that, I'm going to grab low. I was going to stream right through, but like this market sucks. So I'm not just going to sit here while we chop around. I'll probably stream through tomorrow and the next day when we're getting some better moves. The move I would love to see is us down to 650. Us down to 650, gets my juices going. Other than that, I'll be back at 215 today. Hopefully things change. I think we are going to run or dump into PPI. And that's pretty much it. All right. If you want to support the stream, use code CoveTrader. Any questions, feel free to ask in the Discord. And then that's probably where I'll be back. I'm just going to make myself some food. Other than that, I will see you in 2 hours. All right, guys. I appreciate you all. I will see you guys later on. Peace.